Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Outlook notifications not working Windows 11. First method is open Outlook. Click File, Options, click Mail. Check Play as Sound, also check Display a Desktop Alert. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Notifications. Click Microsoft Outlook, turn on notification, turn on play as sound when a notification arrives. Click Focus Assist, turn off Focus Assist. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.